What if I told you the generator market doesn't want you to go solar? Here is why. Some people will agree and some won't. My name is Anida Mali from APLUS Energy, and welcome to another episode of the Solar Arguments and You Decide. Think about it. Every success story of solar is a threat to their markets. Billions are being made in the generator sales, maintenance, and even the cost of fuel. So what do they do in return? They spread fear, doubts, and propaganda that solar doesn't work. Solar works, and here is why. The federal government of Nigeria just commissioned 10 billion naira for solar installation in Aso Rock. I think that's enough to let you know solar does work. If not, your federal government won't switch. So yes, there is silent resistance from generator markets through misinformation, spreading doubts, and propagandas. But remember, this is just the solar arguments, and you decide. I remain Abdul Malik from APLUS Energy.